Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can add files and data of your file explorer into your OneDrive. OneDrive is a cloud storage app that can help you store your precious data and different documents into the cloud. To store your documents or data in OneDrive, simply open it up or by going on into the Google Chrome browser and then log it into your account. After you have done so, all you have to do is go on to this add new option. After that, select the option that suits you the best. For now, I'm going to choose file upload. After you have chosen the file upload or any other kind of upload option, you'll be able to see that if you go on and select any kind of file and open it up, it will be uploaded into the OneDrive, and here you can see that a uploading process has been completed, and now you are able to store all of those data and documents into the OneDrive cloud storage. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.